Welcome back to another video, guys. This is Reefen's Toys Review. And as you can see, we went to McDonald's today. And we got ourselves a nice little McDonald's toy. So we're gonna check it out. Let's see what we get. It's got the plastic. Wait, ASMR. Alright. Now let's see what we get. We got the McHappy Meal fries. Wow. This is so cool. Like, you can't even do much with it, but like, it's a nice decoration you can put in your house. Like, when the hus comes around, you can just show them your toy and they'll just
Who's gonna be coming around you, Breathin'? I'm trying to get a 360 the whole toy, not the front.
Gotta restart it.
No, we're keeping it.
You have to restart the video. See, at a first glance, it doesn't really look like the toy has much. But if you take a closer look at that nice detail and color. Look at the trades on. Look at the M's on it. It's something you never see on the first try. But here, there's many ways you can play with this toy. One, house. You have a fake French fry. Second, you can throw like a football at that guy over there. Here. Hey, come over here.
Well, I'm a cameraman, man.
Whoa. Hey. Have you seen this nice Happy Meal toy?
Who the fuck are you?
Hey.
Who are you?
Hey.
Who are you?
You see this nice Happy Meal toy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice.
So how do you play with it?
Pretend to eat it.
You can't. Here. Is there some type of fucking joke?
Do I look like a fucking joke to you? As you see, he doesn't know yet. I'm gonna kill him. Let me show you. As you can see, you can rip it off.
Is that a feature?
Oh yeah, no. See? Like, you can rip it off.
I think your man's biking away right now. Are you sure this is a feature? I don't think this is a feature, man.
You don't need this. Yeah, all you need is a French fry. This is my review for today.
Now go show me what you were gonna do to that guy. You said you were gonna kill him.
Cut.
What did you? How did you actually take out the front?
I don't know how to take the fries. Put it in your mouth. No, the full thing. Munch on it.
You feeling good? Is it? He swallowed it. Oh. Oh, thanks for being on Breathin's Toy Review.
So that's it for our review today. Thank you for stopping by. Please give the video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.